god. All right, I don't know where to set this. We'll put this here for now, I guess. You guys can see back there we have a mystery box. It is a huge mystery box though. I'll tell you guys what's inside. It's a pretty expensive one, and it's also 3 mystery boxes put together into one giant box. So if you guys want to see a triple Hypebeast mystery box unboxing, stay tuned. That is coming up right after this. Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untitled Hawaii here, coming at you with another video. In this video, we will be looking at laced up mystery boxes. Actually, 3 laced up mystery boxes. Supposedly in this huge box here, we're supposed to have 3 different boxes in here. You guys might have seen it on Harrison Neville's channel. Really good dude. I watched his video of the $99 box, the $450 box, and the $1,000 box, and I said, you know what, that's a pretty good idea. So I headed over to lacedup.com, copped 3 of these, put them all into one cart, and I'm assuming that's why it's like in one giant box. And I want you guys to know this is not a sponsored video. This is not a sponsored video. I spent my own money on these boxes. You guys have seen it in the past. Laced up has been kind of hit or miss for me, so I'm hoping, fingers crossed, that we have some good stuff in here. And I'm also hoping it's like a good benchmark for you guys. So if you guys are interested in buying these boxes, you kind of have something to go off of. Like, what is a 99 value tier gonna look like? What is a 450 tier gonna look like? What is a 1,000 gonna look like? Give you guys some kind of idea of, you know, should I buy these things, which is the best one for value, or like which is the best one to like up my collection. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. All kinds of Bape, all kinds of Supreme. It's gonna be lit. I guess we should just dive into it. I'm not sure how this is gonna look when I open it up, but we'll find out. Okay, so in that huge box is literally 3 smaller boxes. I guess they save on shipping doing it this way, I'm not too sure. So here we have the $99 box, which isn't really a box, it's more of a bag. This one is the $450 one, and this one is the 1,000, so you guys can kind of figure it out. Like, the sizes kind of dictate the value. Obviously a higher price box will have more stuff in it, so yeah, that's how that goes. All right, so you guys can follow along. We're gonna be putting up the counters on the screen over here. That will show you guys the prices of each of these boxes. We'll start off with the 99, obviously, and work our way up. I'm assuming it's a Bape shirt. 100% believe it's a Bape shirt. All right, so laced up is dope because they always give like their own little bags and stuff, and everything is neatly wrapped, so it feels like kind of more presentable like that, as you can see what I mean. More like tissue paper. Okay, so there's 2 things in this one. This one has like a bathing ape, like keychain looking thing right here. You guys can see right there. Ape shall never kill ape. And then we also have the Bape tee that I mentioned. That's what you should expect from the 99, is mainly like a Bape tee. And I think this one is like the tiger split camo. This one is also in a size large. Everything in here should be a size large. You pick your sizes and stuff on the website. Also, just so you guys know, like based off of sizes, prices can flux as well. I mean, like a size small, the most coveted obviously for like Supreme and stuff. I'm not sure what the best size is for Bape, but that can like actually flux the price. It's not all the same across the board. But here's number 1 and number 2, so not bad. So that was the 99 box. Let's get into this 450 box now. And again, nice laced up bag. This is a lot more stuff in here though. Check out this first. This looks like a backpack. Oh, this is kind of plain actually. So you guys see right here, this is a Bape backpack. It has the ape logo right over the top. This is kind of nice. It's nice and embroidered on there. Also has Bape on the zipper here too. And then nothing on the back. I mean, it does have like this small Bape logo here, but this is a pretty nice backpack. What is this? 1, 2, 3 t-shirts left. All right, and this next one we have a Bape katakana tee. This is the college tee design with the bathing ape and also in katakana. Japanese writing, you guys can see again, running over the top. So pretty standard shirt. This one is in red, size large. Most Bape tees will go for about 110 bucks, 120 bucks. So that's not bad value, pretty good. Okay, next one up. Oh shoot, okay. Another Bape keychain. It's the exact same model of keychain. Ape shall never kill ape. But this one's in red now. And then this one, oh, this is kind of dope. I like this. So this is like stitched on. You guys can see it's a Bape tee right here. But yeah, there's like a boy Milo and a girl Milo, and they're like in, I guess, Christmas clothing or whatever. But I don't know if you guys can see it on here. Hopefully this camera can catch it. This is like embroidered on basically. Also made out of like, I believe felt. Yeah, felt or something like that. So it's kind of cool. It adds a little bit more pop. I don't know if I'd ever actually wear this design though. It looks like a little bit kiddie, you know? So I'm not sure if I would ever wear this. But if you guys are interested in this, it is a size large as well. I'm gonna stop saying the sizes. They are all size large, okay? Let's just get it clear right there. And the last one in the 450 box. Whoa, okay. This one has a lot of accessories in here. So first off, we have, what is this? I'm assuming these are stickers. I believe these are like bathing ape stickers. You guys can check it out over here. They're like made out of gold and rather big actually. You can see it against the computer. Not sure what the value of this is. This doesn't say anything. It just says is inspiration on here. But yeah, that's one. Number 2, what is this? How do you open this? Oh, okay. So number 2 is one of those vape masks. I don't know, it's like one of those face masks. I'm not going to open it, obviously, because if somebody's putting this on their face, I don't really want my hands on it. But it is a vape face mask in like blue. I'll put it up on the screen so you guys can check it out here. Also comes in this nice little vape case. And then lastly, we have a vape tee again. This one is also part of the katakana set, I believe. You guys see over here, this is the big ape head though. It's not that like college tee look, this is the huge ones. I don't really know what it says on there, but this is a nice colorway. I'm assuming again about 120 to 110 bucks. Nothing really stand out right now, guys. And so as a reminder, these are all vape exclusive mystery boxes, which is why you've only seen vape so far. On their website, you can actually choose between, I'm looking at it now, you can choose between vape stuff or like a mix of vape and Supreme stuff. So yeah, that's how they do that. This is the last one though, $1,000 box. Let's check it out. That big box in the back is working as like a perfect trash can. I love it. Oh, okay. A lot of stuff in this one. So first things first, there's this really small thing, just really nicely wrapped up. Let me completely destroy that wrapping real fast. Okay, there we go. Just a lot of tissue. Oh, Supreme Bouncy Ball, guarantee. And there it is, the Supreme Bouncy Ball. You guys can check it out over here. This was the free item from last season. Pretty cool. I actually thought this was the best free item so far since I've gotten into Supreme. Also, indicator that this is a Supreme slash bait box. So yeah, be on the lookout for some Hype Supreme. Okay, what is this? I give these guys credit, man. This takes a long time to like neatly pack everything. It's like wrapping Christmas presents all day. It looks like a bait product of some kind. Okay, so this is like a Bape thermos. It says Bape National Aeronautics and a Bathing Ape Babe Space, but this is kind of cool. Hold water or coffee or stuff in here. Value wise, no idea what this value is. Yeah, and like the last accessory looking thing is right here. Oh, okay, cool. So this is like a mini thermos. This one is in that classic Bape camo look though, so green, black, brown, all that kind of look, with the Bape head obviously going through it. This will be like gone in like one sip of water, but it is what it is. I mean, for coffee, I guess that makes sense. For anything else, not really. Oh my goodness. Okay, never mind. There's a lot of stuff left in here. There's like 5 bags left in here. A couple Supreme stickers though. You got 2 box logo stickers, one of these Supreme lemon stickers that just came out, then some of Laced Up's own stickers. So you can peep those right here. Supreme box logos, some Supreme lemon stickers, and then Laced Up's own stickers. Okay, this looks like that Bape space program thing again. Oh, nice. This is kind of clean. So it's like a Bape waist bag. You guys can check it out here. And it has like that space vibe that was on that thermos that we saw earlier. So this one's kind of cool, man. I want to know what collab this was with. Was it with like NASA or something? Why are they doing like space stuff? That's interesting. Hoping there's some good resale value on that. Bags and stuff for Bape, the retail is like super high, so I would assume there's like good money on this. Next out, dude, it's seriously like Christmas, man. I never got this much Christmas presents probably like in my entire life. So unwrapping all of this stuff is kind of insane. And this is just one video. Again, I'm not going to take this one out of the bag, but this is a Bape mask. It has the shark vibes on it though this time. You guys can kind of check it out over here. Bape shark mask. Not opening it up because again, people will put their mouth on that. So no thank you, not gonna touch that. Ooh, this one's clean. All right, so this is a Bape long sleeve tee. It has like a bathing ape written over here. You guys can check this out. Has a Bape head, has like, what does it say? Master a bathing ape, and then more like katakana language on the side. I'm not sure why they're trying to get rid of all the katakana Bape stuff, but I mean, we'll take it, we'll take it. The katakana designs are actually really nice. Hopefully we caught some nice Supreme in here. Nope, this is Bape again. I can see it through the bag. Whatever this Bape like keychain thing is, it has like a floaty keychain, I think. Not even gonna open this one up. It's a Bape katakana tee again with the big bathing ape, and also like in purple this time and on a white shirt. This appears to be Bape socks, I think. Yeah, Bape socks. So check it out over here. This is just one pair of Bape socks. It says Bape running over the top. Black socks, long socks. That's pretty much it for this. I wonder what the cost of like retail Bape socks are. Probably like 50 bucks. Knowing Bape, dude, I wouldn't be surprised. Bape is expensive stuff. We've actually talked about like the crazy pricing of like retail Bape on our Twitch stream before. So if you guys haven't checked out the Twitch stream yet, I highly recommend you guys do that. Twitch.tv/UntitledHawaii. We're gonna be doing like all kinds of giveaways and stuff over there. So highly recommend you check it out. One coming soon actually when we hit 1,000 followers. So that's some info for you guys. This is like a Milo monkey again though. It says Baby Milo across over here. And it's in like this gold, I don't know, glitter kind of stuff and silver glitter kind of stuff. I don't like this. I know they have like a Swarovski collab. I'm not sure if that's part of it. I highly doubt it, but that's the kind of look that they go for. It's like that jewelry kind of look. This is way too much vape. It's way too much vape. I'm sure there's some decent value up on the screen, but I don't know. I just can't get hyped over vape. 450 in the 99 box makes sense because those are vape only boxes, and I was okay with that. But for 1,000 split box, we have got one Supreme ball, and that's it. So I'm kind of confused. Hopefully, oh, and it just picked up though. This is a Supreme item. And you guys should know what this is, man. We've gotten this in the past, but in black. This is a Supreme North Face jacket, guys. You guys can check it out. North Face Supreme over here. And yeah, this one is in that blue colorway, so you can see Gore-Tex running across. American flag back here, and American flag over here as well. So these actually have really good value. So if that's the case, then this $1,000 box was well worth it. Well worth it. But that is it for the boxes, guys. What did you guys think? It was kind of interesting, right? 99 box, 450 box, then the $1,000 box, which ended with a good surprise. Like, if there was no Supreme in there, I was gonna get a little bit frantic, but you guys know what it is. It's good. Laced Up, very cool company. We've checked them out in the past before. You guys saw the prices up on the screen, so you guys kind of have a good indicator of this is what the 99 box will look like, this is what a 450 will look like, and then this is what the 1,000 would look like. So hopefully we can sell everything and make some good profit on it, but that remains to be seen. Anyway, if you guys like this video, be sure to hit that like button down below. Subscribe to the channel if you guys have not already. And if you guys want, you guys can go hit that follow button on twitch.tv/UntitledHawaii. We would love to see you there, part of that community. I'm literally like talking with like everybody that comes through the stream, so come through and say what's up. Anyway, thank you guys for watching this video, and until next time, stay humble, stay blessed, take care, guys. I will see you. Aloha. Shoots.